I'm in 9th grade. Today I'll be showing you how to make an origami bird. This is easy and fun to make, so I hope you enjoy the video. So, the only material you will need is one piece of origami paper. So first, move the paper so it's a diamond. Next, you could take the top corner and you could fold it down into a triangle. Crease it down so it's nice and even. Next, you could take the top part and you could fold it down halfway. So it should look something like this. Now you're going to flip it over and you can take the upper flap and you can fold it up into like a triangle. So now you should have a top triangle and a bottom triangle. Now you can fold it in half. So you should end up with something that looks like this. Now you could take the upper flap and you could fold it back to make one of the wings of the bird. You could flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So take it and fold it back. So it should line up pretty equal. And now you could take the top triangle and you're just going to press down on the center to make the head. So like the fold over here, you're just going to press it down and flatten it. So just press it and flatten. It should be pretty easy because the folds you made before makes it easy. And there you have it, very own origami bird. Hope you enjoyed that video about making the origami bird. Making an origami bird is relatively easy and quick to make, so you can do it on your own time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.